How to use flashlight in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to control center and press and hold blank space and add a control, and here you can see the option torch. Click on it and add torch in your control center, and simply click on blank space. Your torch will be added on your control center. Click on torch, then torch will be on, and if you want to turn off torch, then simply click on torch. And if you want to increase and decrease torch light, then click on torch, and here you can increase and decrease. So this is the way to use flashlight in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.